Hello, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we are creating this absolute zombie masterpiece, so come in, take a seat and let's do this together. Hello, welcome back my darlings. So today we're going to do another Halloween look. It is about a week until Halloween. For today's look I am going to do something again very simple, very easy to do. You need no lashes, anything like that, so if you're intimidated by putting lashes on or applying them, whatever you want to, however you want to phrase it, then this one will be perfect for you. All you need is face paint and a face, which everybody has, or most people have. Some people have two. So that is all you need for today's look. We are going with a zombie kind of theme. His eyes are going to be blocked out, so it's literally all going to be black around, so it's, something like a skeleton kind of thing. So that's why you don't need to apply lashes. You can do if you want, but obviously you're not going to be able to see them with it being black. So don't stress if you've got no lashes. Okay. I've only got about an hour until I need to be at school to collect my son, so I'm just gonna crack on with it. Literally, there won't be much talking at all. I'm just gonna demonstrate, and who knows, most of you might prefer less talking. I do babble a lot, so if you do, let me know in the comments because I listen. Obviously I want to put out content that you like. It's not me watching it, so let us begin. So as always, I am using my Mehron Paradise Paint palette for this. Mine's messy, I need to clean it, but I am using this palette, so everything that you see in this look, it is all from this palette. The shades, the paint, the whole look is just with this palette, this one palette. With that being said, let's crack on. And that is it, we are finished. This is the look complete. I am now really short on time, but we're gonna just quickly wrap this up. I am obsessed with this look. You don't need any eyelashes, no mascara, only face paint. What more could you want? Especially if it's a last minute Halloween party or something like that and you haven't got a lot of time to plan. This is perfect because it's literally taken me under an hour to do this look and be recording at the same time, and you know, for Halloween looks, that's amazing, honestly. So this is the finished look. Just a little side note as well, but I had to rush the teeth because, as I say, I've only had an hour to do this, so that's why they don't look great. But you know, you can do better, that's fine, I'm not stopping you. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you, bye. Mwah.